A friend brings over a leather recliner. I sink into it during my post-op recovery, nipples re-stitched into the galaxy of my chest, while friends take turns emptying my body's drainage. One brings me a cold water. It's the middle of summer, a summer of surgery and celebration. This, according to the stories, makes things better. I am an optimist. Some people like to see handmade realism. You weren't enough until the pang of 30 stags entered the chest like a comet. I knew I should love the world. Spark mask of dusk on the city night skyline, the bright blue burst of living a life, drinking Budweisers in the backyard of your memory, thunderstorms rolling in at the hot dive, an unusual, marvelous object. This body must function like a prophecy, needles full of prophecy, slum galaxy, bang, totally fathomless, then here I am, totally fathomed. Thank you.